If you have a family member who needs nursing home care, what do you need to know? When it comes to nursing home care, it's a very difficult time. Your loved one needs high-level care. And is it going to be for a short time? Is it going to be for a long time? How are you going to pay for it? How are they going to pay for it? What legal documents need to be in place? Are they going to get good care? There's so many questions, and it is so overwhelming because it's a hard place to be in when your loved one needs nursing home care. So let's kind of start with some basics here. The most important thing is that they are getting the right care, quality care, that they are in the right place. How do you make sure that the care that they're receiving is appropriate? Well, one of the things you can make sure you do is to be there at the care facility. Having a loved one at the facility, not necessarily monitoring the care, but the facility knows that you're there and you're seeing what's going on, that makes a huge difference. Also, having an aging care manager to assist you. Now, what is that? That is a certification for geriatric care managers to show that they have a level of expertise where they can help you decide, is this the right care facility? They know the care facilities in the community where they work, and they can tell you this care facility is appropriate for your loved one. They'll also do an assessment of your loved one's condition and make sure that wherever you're considering for placement is an appropriate facility that provides good care. So again, care is the most important piece. Beyond that, we need to take a look at, do they have the necessary estate planning documents in place? Do they still have legal capacity to execute documents if they don't have those necessary estate planning documents in place? And then, how is care going to be paid for? This is care that is $12,000 a month, $15,000 a month. It is extraordinarily expensive, and without good planning, you can easily see how somebody can go through their savings. With an elder law attorney, elder law attorneys have expertise in Medicaid asset preservation strategies. What that means is the elder law attorney with Medicaid expertise can take a look and see, can we qualify this person for Medicaid benefits? Medicaid benefits is what pays for the majority of care costs in our country. And Medicaid benefits can be available even though the person might say, you might think that they have way too much in assets. It's not necessarily the case that the person has too much in assets, because with Medicaid asset preservation strategies, we have the tools where we can preserve and protect assets and qualify the person for Medicaid without having to spend down all of their money. So seek out the services of an elder law attorney with Medicaid expertise to make sure you have the right legal documents in place and the right Medicaid strategy in place. First of all, make sure that the care facility is the right one, and for that you're going to want to work with an aging care manager.